In this training video, we will be learning how to add new areas to the OpenStreetMap database. In this example, we will be adding new detached houses which are currently missing from OpenStreetMap. We've already visited the new detached houses. There's 4 of them on a very small development in the middle of an existing housing estate. So we're going to have to add them to the map. Open up OpenStreetMap in a web browser and log in, and then zoom to the area that you're going to add the houses. So this area is here. As you can see, currently it's blank, but this is where the houses are. To add the houses, go to Edit in the toolbar, and select Edit with ID, the in-browser editor. This will open up a satellite image which shows you the location of the 4 detached houses. We need to zoom in and then center the detached houses on the screen. So we're going to add each of the detached houses one at a time. From the toolbar, select Area and select your first house, which is going to be this one. We're going to add the detached house in as an area. So the first thing we do is we select the corner of the house and we click on our mouse to add a point in. Then we drag the mouse forward and add another point at the other corner. Third point, click. And for the last point, we want to double click. This will complete the area and it should then be highlighted in red saying that you finished it. What we're going to do now is add some tag information so we know what the area represents. So from the left-hand side, it comes up with the Select Feature menu, and we want to search for detached houses. So just type in detached, and detached house should appear there. Select it, and it will list a whole series of tags we could add if we knew the information. If we don't know the information, it's fine. We can always come back and add it later. So one of the first things it adds is the number of levels or stories the house has. We know because we visited it, it is a 2-story detached house, so we add 2. We don't know how high it is, but perhaps we could add that at a later date. We're not actually sure what the address is yet because we're going to have to do another site visit, so we can leave that blank. So the bottom, we've just added 2 tags. It's a detached house and it's got 2 stories. We're going to save that now. So on the top right-hand corner, there's a Save button. You add in a brief description of what you've done. I've just added new build detached house. And then from the source, add in local knowledge because I visited the location. And I don't particularly want anybody to review my edits because it's quite straightforward. You select Upload. And you've now added the detached house to the database. We're now going to add in the remaining detached houses using the same process. Click on Area. Click on the corner of your next one. And then click, click, and then double click the last one. It turns red, meaning you've added in the area. Select detached house or search for it in the left-hand menu. Again, it's a 2-story house. We don't know what the height is, and we're going to add the address in later on. So that's all the tags we can add at the moment. Select Save. Again, add in that brief description. It'll remember it from last time, which is very handy. Select in local knowledge and upload. Then you want to add in the third one. Click, click, click. double click, detached house from the left-hand side. It's a 2-story house. That's all we're going to add in at the moment. Select save. Then add in new build, local knowledge, and upload. And we're finally going to add in our old house. So just drag so it's in the middle so you can see it. Click on add, click, 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 double click. And if you've made a mistake like I have, don't worry. Just go to the top right corner and click on undo. It's a very handy feature. In fact, I'm going to undo all of them and just start again because sometimes that's the easiest thing to do. Click, 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 double click, detached house, 2 stories, save, added new build detached house from my local knowledge, and upload. And there we have our 4 detached houses. Thank you for watching.